Let's mend fences. Healing relationships through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, let's mend fences. This idiom is not only rich in meaning but also offers a glimpse into cultural values and the importance of relationships. So, if you've ever wondered about how language can help heal and strengthen bonds, you're in the right place. Let's mend fences is an idiom that means to repair or improve a relationship that has been damaged by conflict or misunderstanding. The phrase conjures the image of two neighbors fixing a broken fence together, symbolizing the act of working on problems to restore good relations. This idiom is deeply rooted in the value of reconciliation and the belief that it's never too late to address issues and come back together. It emphasizes the importance of taking initiative and the willingness to resolve differences for the sake of harmony and mutual respect. The phrase, let's mend fences, is believed to have originated from the practice of repairing fences that divide properties to prevent livestock from wandering off. This task, often shared by neighbors, highlights the necessity of maintaining good relationships and boundaries within a community. Historically, the idiom reflects the agrarian lifestyle where community ties and cooperation were essential for survival and prosperity. Over time, it has evolved to symbolize the act of healing and rebuilding in any strained relationship, whether personal, professional, or political. Using let's mend fences in conversation signals a desire to overcome past disagreements and move forward positively. It's a powerful way to extend an olive branch and show that you're open to dialogue and reconciliation. For example, after a misunderstanding with a friend, you might say, I think it's time we mend fences. Can we talk? In a professional setting, if there has been tension, a manager might suggest, let's mend fences and work together to find a solution. This phrase can be particularly effective because it acknowledges the need for joint effort in healing a relationship, rather than placing blame or demanding an apology. Understanding and using phrases like, let's mend fences, can be incredibly powerful in navigating the complexities of human relationships. It teaches us about the value of forgiveness, the importance of communication, and the strength found in unity. We hope this video has enlightened you on the significance of this beautiful idiom and how it can be applied to mend and strengthen bonds in your life. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to mend fences and rebuild connections. See you in our next video.